This instruction video is going to be how to add warehouse stock to your data. The important thing about warehouse stock is it does matter what your warehouse stock is for accurate analysis. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Skew details, and this is my account that we use for testing. And I'm just going to select, you can see we have warehouse stock here. This is on Skew details and warehouse stock here and here. If you go down, whatever you select here will be the item in Skew that will be modifying down here. So we have white medium, we have one warehouse stock, and actually I have 199 more. You can just choose your warehouse. I'm going to add 199, action of today, and the action is add stock, updating my stock. And I'm going to hit add stock. What this will do, it'll rerun the analysis. It'll update this. It takes just under 2 minutes to refresh. And then it'll update this number, and the analysis will recalculate with the warehouse stock. Part 2, a little more advanced. If you have FBM stock, we have none on this. But if you did, you would hit edit, and you can select FBM stock as warehouse. This will do the same thing. If you have a 3PL or your own warehouse, if you have stock there, Amazon's keeping track of it. What it will do is link the two in the system, and the FBM stock will count as warehouse. That is also great for analysis. It'll add to any other stock that you add into the process we just did in step 1. Same thing for Shopify. If you have Shopify and that's connected, you can set it here as well. It needs to be one or the other, where FBM or Shopify. Shopify will overrule FBM when set, but that'll link it and keep it accurate. Your 3PL can keep your stock accurate. Linking it will keep the system accurate.